I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the right compressor and seals, plus PAG oil and new receiver/dryer if needed. Disconnect the battery and recover refrigerant with certified equipment. This prevents harm and saves the system. Once done, remove the serpentine belt and note belt routing. Make sure to label electrical connectors and hose locations so you can reinstall exactly. Begin unbolting the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit. This prevents sudden drops and makes removal predictable. You now finish removing hoses and wiring and take out the old compressor, noting the orientation and transferred parts. Once removed, compare clutch, shaft, and mounting points. Transfer brackets or sensors as needed. Before installation, add the manufacturer-specified amount of PAG oil to the new unit. This lubricates the system. Then mount the compressor, torque bolts to spec, and reconnect hoses with new O-rings to prevent leaks. Reattach electrical connectors and the serpentine belt, making sure pulleys align. You'll vacuum the system to at least 500 microns to remove moisture and air. This step ensures proper cooling and prevents compressor damage. Once the vacuum holds, charge refrigerant to the exact weight specified for your Altima using manifold gauges while monitoring low/high side pressures. After charging, start the engine and run a /C at max. Verify target pressures and listen for noises. If the system won't build pressure, recheck fittings for leaks and electrical clutch power. Those are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.